Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lu Zhuo, so I'm the Program Director for the MSc Data Science for Environmental Sustainability. Welcome, and I hope really looking forward to seeing you all in autumn. This is an exciting program. You will learn a bunch of skills around AI and how you can use the different part of the machine learnings, big data science to tackle real-world environmental challenges. And I really hope that you will use those skills and make a positive impact to the world. So as you can see from the name, it's about data science and environmental sustainability. The reason that we propose this program is because nowadays we have so much data from everywhere, from satellite, from Internet of Things, from different sorts of sensors, even from citizen science. People go out and collect data by themselves. And with so many data, how we can best utilize those and try to answer the question that we are interested in about climate change, about extreme weather, how we can really utilize those data to help improve environmental sustainability. And with that, because of the quick, really rapid development of machine learning, of AI, there's a great opportunity that we can combine those two, integrate them, and to kind of make the picture clearer for us to answer and to tackle those environmental challenges that we face every day and that we are keen to solve with that. So I'm sure that you have gained a lot of skills, subject skills in your undergraduate studies, and in postgraduate studies, I would say you will get the really excited opportunities to develop the independent learning skills across modules, as well as to really get into the real-world data sets that we, as, for example, as remote sensing satellite data that a lot of companies is using. So with that, alongside the AI machine learning skills that you learn, you're really able to tackle the real-world challenges, to work on the real-world case studies, and also to work with our Cardiff alumni to really solve the environmental problems around the world. Within our program, we actually have a wide background of students. So some students who have already some coding knowledges and skills, all the way to some students that do not have any coding skills at all. But don't worry, in your first semester we have a module called Big Data, which will really teach you the coding of Python all the way from scratch. So everyone will be reached to the stage where they need to, and then apply the skills. For example, in the second semester, into a module called Applied Computing for Environmental Sustainability, where they will really use the statistical analysis skill, the machine learning modeling skills into solving a wide range of environmental topics. I hope you all have a great summer, and